Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to give you what I'm using for my roadmap heading into the monthly expiration. So, depending on when you're viewing this, I'm making it after the close on the 11th, but the monthly expiration is about a week away, right, on the 19th. So, into the 19th, I am trying to work with the idea that volatility will continue to remain suppressed and it will allow equities to move higher. If that is going to be an easy idea or follow the path of least resistance, I would like to see that you get a decline that is no more than some of these previous declines, right? I'm really just comparing it against itself and saying, here was a correction, here was a correction, and after both of those down moves, you're able to recover and move on into fresh highs. So the repetition of those declines, if mirrored, would take you down here to about the 4185. So it would be the idea that you get a flush below 4200 and then prices are perceived as cheap below that psychological value. You hold one of these areas of symmetry and then we work our way into something like 4300 or maybe even a little bit higher for the expiration. Again, we have to stay above that for that to continue to be good, but notice where the symmetry also lines up with this previous swing high. So I just think if you do get down there, it's going to be a pivotal area to watch. If it breaks, then I'll kind of have to shake the Etch-a-Sketch and start over. But if that holds, again, I want you to be able to use that into the monthly expiration. And it's an interesting example, zooming in on kind of how the fractal nature of how this can unfold. Those are levels that I'm just keeping in the back of my mind, should they be in play tomorrow. But what unfolded today into the close, because you get the very bullish gap up to start, right? And then it gives back a good portion of it, then bounces midday, and look at the proportions of that next decline. This move, they mirror each other. And I think that can be so helpful if you find yourself at the end of the day looking at it and saying, wow, this is so bearish, and wanting to try and short it. It's like, well, the decline is just like the decline that came before it. And then it had a, little 15, 20 handle bounce. Very similar to what happened into the end of the day. So we'll see what happens overnight. We'll see where we wake up on Friday. This is your most immediate support. This is the level that I would like to see hold if bulls are going to maintain control of this thing at all. And we'll see if that ends up being helpful as we get into expiration. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.